Computer-tastic here with another unboxing. This one is the Workzone pressure washer. Obviously sold by Aldi's. So 80 bucks. Figured it was a great deal. Let's get into this. It's got a built-in soap dispenser. I've been kind of wanting to get a pressure washer for a while. I don't want to spend a ton of money. I figured this was a good deal. We'll find out when I start using it though. It does come with a 3-year warranty, so it should be pretty decent. Okay, so we got instructions that I'll never read. We got the hose. We got the wand. Take this out so you guys can see it. Oh no, that's not the wand, that's a handle. Okay. The spray wand, that's the spray wand. Looks pretty nice. And get it out. Pressure washer itself. A really long cord. That's nice. Got the soap dispenser in the back. Simple. And we'll see if there's anything else in here. Got another wine thing. And looks like storage pieces. So you can store the utensils. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So obviously once I use it a while and review it, I'll give you guys my opinion about it. So yeah, this will conclude the review. If you like this review, give it a big old thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and Computer-tastic. Have a great rest of your day.